Here we come to the elevators at the Student Services Building at University of Houston, Texas. I don't know what brand these elevators are, but these got EPCO. It's got a fan, but hopefully we're able to hear the motor well. There's your phone. This thing levels so quickly. One. Door close button does not work. EPCO SSL slap-on mod, but these were installed in 1968, modernized in 2001 according to the records. Once this closes, we're gonna get the other elevator car. This one has a much more different light fixture than the other one, but everything else is the exact same, and plus this does not serve the basement. 3. Go to 1. I don't know what brand this elevator is. If you can guys tell me in the comments below, judging by who originally installed this elevator, but all I know is it's got an EPCO flush eye indicator. And I wonder what kind of indicator, is that an EPCO directional lantern? I don't know what brand these elevators are, but anyways, there they go. And that's it.